Epoxy and Odus are two popular flooring options for factories. In this video, we'll check which one of them is more durable. Let's look at the various factors that damage factory floors and see how epoxy and Odus behave under them. Factor 1. Forklifts. When forklifts run on epoxy floors, they often end up scratching and damaging the epoxy coating. Why? Because the hardness of forklifts is more than the hardness of epoxy. However, Odus-treated floors have a hardness greater than forklifts, making them resistant to damage caused by forklift operations. Factor 2. Lubricants. The presence of lubricants weakens epoxy's bond with the base floor, causing it to peel off and delaminate. In contrast, Odus-treated floors remain unaffected by lubricants. This is because Odus is not a coating. It strengthens floors from within, ensuring no peeling or delamination occurs. Factor 3. Moisture and humidity. Like lubricants, the presence of moisture also weakens epoxy's bond with the base floor, leading to peeling and delamination. Odus, however, stands strong. Since it strengthens floors from within, it remains unaffected by moisture and humidity. Factor 4. Tropical weather conditions. India's tropical weather, heat, humidity, and heavy monsoon rains poses a serious challenge for floors. Epoxy floors develop pinholes, bubbles, and wear out quickly under such conditions. But Odus-treated floors? They remain stable and unaffected, no matter the temperature or weather changes. The verdict clearly, Odus performs better under all these factors. While epoxy floors may last 9 to 15 months, Odus-treated floors last at least 5 times longer under the same conditions. This makes Odus the best choice for durability in factory floors. Hope this was helpful. For more information on industrial maintenance, visit our website, reservate.com. And if you need any help with floor maintenance in factories or warehouses, call us on our toll-free number 1-800-890